What Daikin are unveiling this week is a brand new smart thermostat called the Daikin 1 Smart Thermostat. And what this is what we believe to be very unique from an industrial design perspective and user interface. So very simple, intuitive dial if you want to raise or lower the temperature. If you want to have much more capability than just like a cell phone touch screen, dive into much more capability for control.
It's a touch screen even, so very sweet. Because obviously you want to see the temperature at a glance, right?
That's right. So at a glance, this is obviously not powered, but you would see the temperature in the room. There's obviously a mobile app as well, so cell phone capability, adjusting it from anywhere at any time.
Availability and price?
So availability is in the spring. So this is not a retail product; it's a pro channel product. So we sell through Daikin Comfort Pro dealers across the U.S.
Okay, so you have to deal with the dealer, but ballparking a suggested retail so audience knows?
In the rough range, I'll say competitive with smart thermostats today, $250, $300 in that range.
Perfect. And for more info, Daikin 1, it's DAIKINONE, Daikin1.com.
That's right. Yes.